Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about drug development, especially the process known as from hit to lead. I think this is a really interesting topic because every medicine we use, whether it is a pain reliever, an antibiotic, or a treatment for a serious disease, has to go through a long scientific journey before it can reach patients. In drug development, the first major step is often called hit discovery. A hit is a molecule or compound that shows some activity against a biological target. This target could be a protein, an enzyme, a receptor, or another part of the body that is involved in a disease. Scientists usually find hits by screening thousands or even millions of compounds in the laboratory. They are basically looking for molecules that can interact with the target and produce a useful effect. But finding a hit does not mean we already have a medicine. A hit is only the starting point. Many hits are not strong enough, not selective enough, or not suitable for the human body. That is why the next stage is called hit to lead. In this stage, scientists study the hit compounds more carefully and try to improve them. They look at things like potency, which means how strongly the compound works, and selectivity, which means whether it affects the correct target without disturbing other important systems in the body. During hit to lead, chemists often change parts of the molecule structure to make it better. Even a small change in a chemical group can improve how well the molecule binds to the target, how stable it is, or how safely it behaves. Scientists also test whether the compound can be absorbed by the body, how long it stays active, and whether it might cause toxic effects. Once a promising lead compound is found, the next step is lead optimization. This is where researchers refine the molecule even further. The goal is to create a compound that is not only effective but also safe, stable, and suitable to become a real drug candidate. Scientists want a molecule that reaches the right part of the body, stays there long enough to work, and leaves the body without causing serious harm. What I find fascinating is that drug development is like solving a complex puzzle. It involves biology, chemistry, pharmacology, computer modeling, laboratory testing, and a lot of teamwork. Researchers have to balance many factors at the same time because a compound that works well in one way might fail in another. So, for me, the journey from hit to lead shows how careful and detailed drug discovery really is. It reminds us that medicines do not appear overnight. They are the result of years of research, testing, improvement, and innovation, all with the goal of turning a small, promising molecule into a treatment that can help improve or even save lives.